Hello guys, how are you? Market is crashing right now. As you can see, the win USD, which I predicted many times that this is the zone we're gonna see in the coming days, and you can see here the price is going down, the Bitcoin is dumping. You can see the, oh my god, it's crashing. You can see BTC is crashing right now, as well as the other alts are crashing, as you can see here. Let me check. It's going, yeah, it's going on. Oh god, it's going down. You can see I predicted that BTT price, BitTorrent price as well, that this level is going to retest, and it is testing. And look at this market, everything is in red, bleeding. Market is bleeding currently. Oh my god, that's, gosh, man, that's going down. Oh, look at this. I draw this supply is demand zone yesterday, and just look at it, guys. This is pure bleeding. This is chaos, man. This is chaos, guys. This is going very bad, very bad. Is just look at it here. Let me check the Twitter. Let's check what's going on in here, what the people are telling, the destructive. Let's see, what's the latest tweets people are telling us right now. Man, this is going down. This is going down. Man, this is, you see, I heard that there's a news that Biden, American president, wants to increase taxes. This causes both the, let's take a look. Biden, Bitcoin tax. Let's take a look if it really Bitcoin falls. You see here, you can see it here. I think that's the reason the Bitcoin falls to 50k after Biden floats, doubling capital gains tax. You see here, this is the news, and it's going very, very tough for now. You can see, let me check the, this is the dominance, all coins dominance going down, BTC dominance going up. It is retesting at this level, so it's very tough. Let me check the CME gap as well. I told you guys BTC 1. Let me check the, I told you guys this gap was filled, and now what do we have here? Were there any gaps left? No. Gaps are left here. Okay, we have this gap, so we're gonna retrace back to this, you know, we're gonna reclaim this 60,000 level. But for now, it's going down very, it's pure bleeding going on in the market. And you can see that Coin is almost you can see in here 74% down. Guys, just hold, don't panic selling. I know a lot of you guys are in a lot of loss, You see here the Coin is testing. You see right on the levels which I draw. You see, that's how the market cycle works. I posted the video 2 days ago. Let me check. Yeah, I posted the video 2 days ago. Not 2 days ago, but today I posted the video, and here you can see the market is going really crazy. It just tested the level, and let me check this one as well. We are going down here as well. Let me draw this level. This level was not drawn. You see here. So we are also going down from here as well. AUT USDT pair. If we look at here, let me draw the highest of this. You see here. Just take a look at it here. This is the swing high, and right on that. That's how things work. If we'll go to the Dogecoin, we have, let me go to the 4-hour candle. Let me check. We can go to as low as this as well. This is a 200 EMA, and SIA coin. Damn, you can see the level. The levels are respecting. That's how things are working. Gosh, I could have some funds in my holdings. I could have bought some, but you see, always they say that buy the dips. That's it. Buy the dips. That's it. TRX. That's also, it has crossed the monthly zone. Here you see. Here you can see here. The reef. Let's take a look at the reef. Okay, it's went down to 29. Damn. MBL. Market is red. Damn. Where it is respecting, let's take a look at here as well. The market, this is the lower low, and let's take a look. See, simple. You see, you need to understand the support and resistance concept. It gives you a lot of exact entries. XRP, let's take a look in here. Let's go back. What do we have here? Swing high, swing low. That's swing low as let me this one's, yeah. Let's take a look now. You see here again respecting this level as well, the swing low of this body. Okay, so this level was not tested, so that's why it has to be tested. Let's take a look at IOST. That's damn, that's moving down this level. Okay, this was swing high. Let's go down the Vito coin. Vito, what do we have here? Swing high, swing. Let me just zoom in a bit. Let me draw this level as well, so take a look. Yeah, it's in between this zone and also this as well. You see here again the same thing. DGByte. Let's see here, what do we have here? I know a lot of you guys, let's take a look at the BTC liquidations going on. Liquidation watch. Let's take a look at the liquidations. Do we have the liquidations here? Let's take a look if it's working right now. 49,000, and these are the longs, these are the shorts here, and you can see. Let me check. Let's check it from the Bybit live BTC crypto watch here. Let me turn on and do. I had let me Bybit as well. Yeah. No, sorry. This is the liquidation data from the bybit.com, and let's take a look at it here. We have 1 hour. Just look at this level. Just look at this stats. These stats, $1.61 billion have been liquidated, and just take a look at here. $11 million liquidated, the largest single order here. And right now the liquidations are taking place. You can see on the Binance itself, 96% longs have been liquidated. With this is the value, longs have been liquidated, 750.2 million. Damn, that's too much. You see here, this is quite similar to which happened on the 17th of April. Here you can see this happened on the 17th of the April, and now it's happening again today, 22. And you see the shorts are not liquidated that much, but the longs are liquidated, and today as well. So let's take a look at the Binance right now. Just few moments ago, what do we have here on the Binance? VET perpetual long. This was liquidated. How many liquidations happened on the VET here? We had 2.2 kb liquidation on the VET. Let's take a look at the VET. Let me check the VET. Due to this long wick below, this every coin must have been liquidated. You see here, everything is going down. So that's very tough for all the spot holders, and very tough for those who would have done the liquidations, whoever done the leverage trading, futures trading. You see how it goes down to the bottom. The XVG Verge is also on the bottom. You could buy from this. That's very, very bottom. We are seeing the bottom. Let me check that Doge again. Again, it's going down. Damn. I need to sell and need to buy something else. Damn, it's going down. Let's take a look at the chart here, and it's chaos going on in here. Let's take a look at the Twitter, what the people are saying right now. Okay, Doge is legit. You almost do, to be honest here. How could Biden allow this? Yeah, guys, we will not let the peers win. This is not a dip in a bull run. This is a retest, retracement. So guys, it's going very tough decline. Let's take a look at the latest tweets. What do we have here? Just look at this picture. Now this one's, wow, he's still earning. That's great. So what do we have here going on? This level has drawn. Just take a look at this here. If we go to this website, let's take a look at here. Data shows traders rush to buy altcoins during Bitcoin's dip to 50k. Yeah, that's it. You can see here barcoding between, we were only 50k for 5 minutes. So guys, just you can see that I told you guys as well that many levels are retested, and the BTC had to retest. You see here, if we look at the BTC chart here, you see the volume has been increasing since the last 3 hours. No, since the last 2 days. The selling volume is increasing, mean that downtrend is, the downtrend, you can say these volume is supporting the downtrend of the BTC. So if we go back, if we have anything here, let me check. This is the swing low we have in here. This, let me hide this chart. We have here swing high of this one. Let's take a look. You can see here we have one resistance to this one, so this portion is very strong. This one is also very strong. See many rejections from this level. So let's go in the future and let's take a look. Yeah, this level is being tested right now, 49,000. So what do we have? What can we expect more? If we look at here, you see here the volume, the selling volume is increasing, means the downtrend is supported by the selling volume, and we might expect a rebounds to approximately might be this level, 54,000, or this region, 53,000. It can rebound back to 53,000 level. Let me check, it's going on. Yeah, it's going. Okay, so the market is going very bad right now. You need to have some funds so that you can buy something, at least something. You see here, Wing is going down and down. You never know what's the bottom in here. Let me go up. Let me take a look at the most changed minus. You see here, Win BTD. A lot of you guys must have invested in BTD and Win. You see here. You see, let's take a look at here. It has tested right on this level. I told you guys. Just check out my video which I posted, and that's it, guys. I hope just hodl it and don't worry, things gonna be okay, but give it a time. That's it, guys. Take care. I don't think if there is any viewer watching right now. Okay, There are few viewers, 4 viewers watching. Okay, let's carry on this stream. If you want to, if you want to know any predictions, then just let me know in the comment section, guys. If you want any prediction of any coin, just let me know in the comment section, and I will draw the support and resistance for you guys. If you want to, just let me know in the comment section, guys. This one's good level. You see the consolidation phase here. So good consolidation phase for hot USDT. So we might see, that's why it rejected from this level. Let's take a look at this total coin cap market as well. Let me check the total as well. We just have to wait and see. If I draw the monthly in here, we can see here it was never retested. So let me check the weekly as well. You see here, okay, why went down to this level? Okay. This was the high. If we draw the level here and here, okay, it went low and retested this. If we go down to the daily, let me draw the daily as well. Let me redraw. No, let me change this level. Okay, this was the bottom. Okay, good. But if we go to this swing low, this was a swing high. This one was also a swing high. So right now we are in a position we can say that this level, this candle needs to close above this level for the all coins to move above. This candle needs to close above, otherwise we are going to see more downtrend in the altcoins. So this is the retracement, or you can say all coins has, this is the level 775 was the support level, and it has been tested for first time after many days. Let me check the 4-hour chart. You can see here, this was the level. You see here, this level has been tested for the first time after 8th of April. So after 2 weeks, this level has been tested, and it got rejected. So what's the scene now? The scene is, if this candle closes above this level, then we might see a good retracement on the upside. But if it closes below this level, we might see some consolidation here, and it can go below as well. So let me again check the WIN USDT pair. It went down. You see, my predictions went as I told you guys many days ago. You can check out my past videos. I predicted that this level is going to be tested, and it has tested. You can see the volume on the selling volume has increased, and that's why it broke through. It went down. So for the days to come, we might be looking for, I can say that might be now the phase of consolidation might start, and it's gonna start from here to this level, and then it's gonna reclaim this level 121 or 130, and then we can bounce back, and then again it can bounce up to this level of 188, and then we would be in uptrend. But for now, the things are looking not good. Let's take another look at here. Let me check any comments. Is it over, bro? No, bro, it's going on, still going on. Jeff Brown, well, it's still going. For now, you can say that I told you that this candle needs to close above this level, otherwise there will be more bleeding. And you can see the BTC, and also you need to remember that today is Friday, Saturday, Sundays are always, dumping days. On these days there are always a dump. You see, if we go to here, See, the market is red. BNB, Litecoin. Let me check which one is the most, I think. Let me check. You see, I bought in here. I bought somewhere else and the price is down. Let me check which has changed a lot. Which one? This one's MBL went down to as low as it can go. Let me check the reef as well. I have got 4600 reef and we are down to 30,000 Satoshi point. This coin has never performed up till now, and I'm very sure that in the days to come the reef has to perform. CoinMarketCal is a website. Let me check. I heard 2 days ago that this coin has event to come. Let's take a look at here. If we take a look at here, reef, if we count in here and just research it. Don't know why this website always ducks. I don't know, this ducks. Don't know why. Let me check the reef. This coin always this website always stuck. Let's go to win again. Price is, after getting rejection from this level, this we might see a retracement, more retracement down to 47,000 as well. So guys, it's kinda, do we got anything else? It will get stable, right? Yeah, it's gonna get stable, brother. It's gonna get stable, but for now things aren't looking good. It has retraced a bit. It has retraced a bit, but that was a good buying opportunity. Those who had a good amount, you see a retracement. Let me show you the retracement, how much it retraced from this level. See, 20% already retraced. See, that's why you say the buying at these levels is always, a good opportunity, good buying opportunity. These dumps create a good buying opportunity for professional traders. And well, the thing is, I told you in many of my videos that always buy in parts, don't buy at once. So let me again check the reef, and let me research it. Do we have anything? Yeah, reef 30 June. So lot of events are coming, but not for now. Short-term events are coming. If we take a look at anything else like win, anything else, wink, okay, 30 June, that's also a long way. So we can say that the next month would be the period of consolidation, and the month after that would be the June. That would be the month where we're gonna see a rally upwards. So here we have everything. You can see, everything. Everyone is telling that RSI has not been oversold since September. Okay, good drop below 30 would be huge opportunity that you will very rarely see in a bull market. So this guy Lord David says that it's a good buying opportunity, and you see it's a good buying opportunity as well. Okay, so this is the first step in opening up the dialogue between our regulators and the market participants, and move to needed clarity. So a lot of things are happening, guys, and let me check. Yeah, it has retraced a bit. The altcoins have recovered a bit for now. For the moment, they have recovered. You can see in here. Well, I bought some. Let me show you my Coin holdings for now. I bought in. You can see here. I bought right at the. You see my holdings. I bought at 130. I was buying in parts. You see, I was buying in parts. I bought in $100 at 81.79, and it went down to this level, 69. So that's the part of you say trading. That happens a lot. Let me check anything. Okay, guys, playbacks are here. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you're watching my video, thanks for that. Thanks for coming. And if you have any questions, please mention them in the comment section. And for now, I think you need to hold. If you have altcoins in your bag, just hodl them, okay? Just hold for a few days. Right now, it's of no use if you want to, sell them right now. It's not good. Wink is already at the bottom. You can see here, it's already touching the bottom. Okay, bottom is here. So you don't have to sell it right now. It's near the support zone, and after that, how far can it go? It can go, let's say, maybe a push, 20% push downside. That would be its last stage. After that, it's going to be in consolidation phase, and then we're gonna rally up. Okay, then we have a good smooth rally up because all the levels have been tested, and Dogecoin as well has been. Just take a look in the past 1 hour. You see how it went to this level and it went up 30% already. It's up 30% already up. So that's the beauty of dump, that whenever a dump comes, you have the buying opportunity. At this moment, a lot of you institutional traders have bought. They could have bought a lot of. You see here, the downtrend has ended. If this candle closes, you see this is a hammer candle with a good volume on the upside. You see here, if we look at the 1 hour chart, this is the 1 hour chart, and let me draw the. Okay, we need the yellow to move up for coming hours, and then we can say it's a uptrend. So I think that's a good retracement. Now it's gonna retrace. If this candle is going to test this level, and if it passed below this level, if it passed above, then the downtrend would be end for the Wink coin, and then we're gonna see a retracement there, then above, and then it's gonna move like cycles, move in cycles. Yeah, Deep. The market is crashing, so I think this is the best time to buy. Yeah, absolutely. This is the best time to buy. Absolutely. I agree with you. I agree. This is the best time to buy. But the thing is that the only issue we retail traders have, we don't know the exact bottom. For example, some of you guys could have set the order here at 96,000 Stoches. See, some of you guys could have set the order here, but for the institutional traders, they could have bought here at this level. You see, at this level. So I always tell my fellow partners, my students, that they need to have at least 20 to 30% portfolio remaining in the bags for this type of situation where the market crashes, where there is a emergency situation. Now is the emergency situation. You need to have some bags, you need to have some USDT in your holdings for this type of crash, so you can buy the dips. So you can see here everything is going down and up. So that's the situation, guys. I've been very amused with this Dogecoin push down, and now it's a good retracement. You see here, head and shoulder. We're gonna make another move up to this level. During this level, we can now the coming days would be in the consolidation period, and after that we would be in the rally upward. So that's how things are going. Just take a look at the wet. It went like, see, 30%. And what is happening with the TRX is still going down, not that up. MBL, XRP has been down 16%. IOST, okay, we took every coin, you name it. Let's take a look if anything is in green. STPT is in green. Wow, damn. What's with STPT? I think that's the only coin that has not gone below. This coin has not dumped. That's impressive. That's really impressive. Let's take a look. Even though let's analyze this coin. Why this coin didn't went down? I think this was a strong zone. You see here, if we look at the STPT, you see wicks up, wicks down, wicks up trying to break this, and wicks down trying to support this level. You see a strong support zone here, then a zone here. It tried to break through, but never break past this level. Now the next level would be here, and you can see that it went, or it already, you know, went down almost 33%. So I think that could be the reason that over the last 2 days this coin has already went down to 33%. That's why. So, and you see the volume is very low volume. And what do we have? BTC, the all-time best. Do we have here? You see here, okay, SOL is also not dumped. Good. This coin has also not dumped. That's amazing. What do we have about the RIF, FLM? Okay, Cake, BSDT. Okay, these coins have not went down as much as the other ones. Let's see here. Okay, good. See, the pattern is same for most of the 99% of the coins have the same patterns. Let me draw this. This is a very good zone here. Very good zone here. You see, I just tried to draw here, and you see how it respected this level. Simple, not a rocket science. You can see this was a swing high, this was a swing low, and you see how it respected that level. If you just learn the support and resistance method, guys, believe me, you can place the orders right on the dip, right at the dips, you know. Let's go down. Let's take a look. Let me go into the past and let me have it for you guys. Here is the, I think this would just take a look at, see how it respected. Why? Let me show you guys. This was the, you know, you see the wicks up. You see here. Let me show you again. Let me show you again. You see here, these candles tried to break this level. Okay, it shows that this was the resistance zone. Okay, and after that, see, when it broke through candle, it went down to, but was rejected, and this resistance became the support level. Then the next candle, it was again rejected, so it confirms that this was a main zone. So previously it was a support zone, it was a resistance zone from here. After that it became the support zone. So that's why I draw this level, and you can see here, you can see how it respected this level so perfectly. Now banned USDT, let's go back into the past, and what do we have here? This is the swing high, this is the swing low. Let's take a look if it, yeah, very close, very close. You see, you have to draw. Let me also check another thing as well. What do we have here as well? This was a swing high, this swing high, and this level as well. Okay, okay, this. Okay, let me tell you something else as well. You see, you know the demand and supply zone. The demand and supply zone always remain inside this body. Okay, so also if you want to draw the level here, you can catch the move, you know, the wick below. If you draw the line here and between the body, this zone becomes the demand zone as well. So you can see here it almost reached that level. So demand and supply zone is very perfect. Let's check this level is where this level is going. I think this might have come down to this low. Let's take a look at, yeah, it was testing this level. Now any comments here? I bought 1 million vet, just gonna hold it. I got vet at 0.16. I still think Dogecoin is gonna be a flop. Adeep, okay Adeep, let me check vet for you. Let me check the vet for you. Let's take a look at the vet, and let me also check the coin cap market coin coin market cap, sorry. And any events coming for the vet as well. Let's take a look if we have any vet. Yeah, 30 June is, you know, 30 of the June is like a general event for every coin. Let's take a look at the vet as well. VChain, and it's on the 13 number. And what supply do you have here? 64. That's 5 million. That's 64 billion supply. Circulating supply is 74%. Volume is good. That's the main thing. The more the volume, the higher the liquidity. The more, you see, the day trading usually happens on the large volume coins. So let me check. You said you bought at 0.616. You bought at 0.16. That's a good level. You see, you bought at this point. See, that's good. That's pretty good. You have almost, you can say that these levels also need to be tested, and we can say this level has been tested, so no worries for this, no worries for this. But this level, you see here, this level, let me tell you, this level, we might see some retracement back to their 1.11 as well in the near future, because this level has not been tested yet. This level was tested, but this level has not been tested. So we can say that if it's a strong zone, then it's gonna retest back here, it's gonna retest here. But for now it has moved up immensely, almost 30%. So you bought in here at 0.16. If I were putting an order, I would have put an order here. This was a swing high, this was a swing low of the swing high. So I can say that here 0.171, and the next would be this is a zone actually. Okay, so what would be the next here? 0.16 as you told, and this is the swing low as well of the swing high. This is also good zone as well here. Let me change the color of this line. 0.147800, that's also a good zone, because you see here once it passed through, it was rejected only once. So that's the situation. Let me check what's going on in here, the total market cap. Okay, so this candle needs to close above, and there is some relief for now. But you see here the candle is very small. And if we look at the bigger time frame, yeah, on larger the time frame, the better the, the better the scenery, the better the general picture, what's going on in the market right now. So if we look at, if let me show you a scalp. This was a good opportunity for the scalping. And here you can see how it was respected, how it was rejected from the 180 level. Here you see, if you want to do the scalp trade, you must have, these are the EMAs. Just draw these EMAs: 13, 21, 50 and 180. This gives you a better idea. And if you want to draw in more, let me hide this one as well. You've got here 6 EMAs: 8, 13, 21, 55, 100 and 200. 100 and 200 always gives you the, general picture of the trend. So that's the, guys, you see here, let me show you a scalp trade. You see here, when it crossed above, and when it crossed above, okay, you don't have to buy on the crossing, you have to buy on the retest. Here, when this level was retested, okay, this was the point where you need to buy. Okay, what you need to look for here is you have to look for a good volume on the volume bar on the upside. Okay, the yellow line, which is the 13 EMA, needs to cross all the other EMAs. It crossed with a good volume. Then on the downside, you see the volume became very low. It means the people were not trying to sell it, but the level was tested. Okay, if there could have been a large volume like this one, this level would have been again breached. But it was not a fake breakout, it was a good breakout with a large volume, and that's why it retested at this level. And this could have been a good trade if you would have entered at this level. On the 15-minute chart, you could have made a good 17%. If we go back in here, this level was tested here. That's, you can see here, this was a swing high, and you see exactly a move. And you can draw also a move here, because this, I think this is a good level. Here you see, oh, sorry for that. Let me go back into the, see, where was it? Yeah, this was, yeah, this was, yeah, you see, this was a good support zone, and then it went up. So this is basically a scalping technique, you can use it. Now the STBD is going on. Let me just make the time frame larger, and here we have. So what's the current situation right now? We are moving ahead, we are moving upside on the altcoin. This this candle needs to close above these candles. This is the total market cap, and if it closes above, when this candle is in green, it means that all the altcoins are in green. Okay, so that's it, guys. I think I have tried to give you a general idea, the picture, what's going on in the market, and I hope you have got the idea. Just try to hold, don't panic sell. Okay, just wait for a few days, it's gonna be back, because this is a bull market, and these are some retracements which were due, which were necessary. So these retracements, causes the healthy price on the upside. If there are no retracements, you can't expect you can't expect the price to move like this. It has to go down. Okay, it has to come down for a good retracement. So that's it, guys. I think that's all from my side. And I'm gonna check out the markets are crashing while the US is talking about increasing. Yeah, I heard that, Adib. I heard that. You see here, I already told my audience that Biden, the American president, has passed the bill for, taxes. I think that kind of stuff you can check on the Google as well. So, okay, guys, I'm gonna take a break and just hodl and wait for some time. Take care. Bye bye.